What is the area of the indicated triangle? Trigonometric identities. Area of a triangle, basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Solution. Label triangles C, D and E. In triangle C, D, E. Theta plus 27 degrees plus 39 degrees plus 90 degrees equals 180 degrees. Simplify. 2 times theta equals 24 degrees. Divide the equation by 2. It follows that theta equals 24 degrees divided by 2, which equals to 12 degrees. Label side lengths H, Y and angle 39 degrees. Also, label point G. It implies that angle CG, E equals 180 degrees minus 39 degrees, which equals to 129 degrees. This is because sum of angles in triangle equals 180 degrees. From triangle G, D, E. Using trigonometric identity, H divided by Y equals sine 51 degrees. It signifies that Y equals H divided by sine 51 degrees, which equals to 1.2868 times H. We call it equation 1. Consider triangle CGE using sine rule. 1.2868 times H. All divided by sine 39 degrees equals line C, G divided by sine 12 degrees. Hence, line C, G equals 1.2868 times H multiplied by sine 12 degrees. All divided by sine 39 degrees. We call it equation 2. Simplify. And we have that line C, G equals 0.42513 times H. We call it equation 3. Area of triangle CG, E equals half the product of Y and line C, G multiplied by sine 129 degrees, which equals to 26. Substitute equation 1 and equation 3. This implies that 1.2868 times H multiplied by 0.42513 times H times sine 129 degrees, all divided by 2, equals 26. Solve for the square of H by cross multiplication. H square equals 122.31168359. Take the square root of the equation. We have that H equals the square root of 122.31168359, which equals to 11.05946127, to 8 decimal places. Label length x. This implies that x divided by h equals tan 12 degrees. This implies that x equals h times tan 12 degrees. Substitute the value of h obtained. It follows that x equals 11.05946127 times tan 12 degrees, which equals to 2.35076100615. The required area equals half the product of x and h, which equals half the product of 11.05946127 and 2.35076100615. Which equals to 12.999075458 square units. Therefore, The required area equals 13.0 square units. To 2 decimal places.